Hey, guys, today, let's try to disable the autoplay video on TikTok. If in the case that you have this issue, that the autoplay video is currently going on your TikTok applications. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and allow you guys or teach you guys how to disable this. So, please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright, you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the TikTok application, and then tap on your profiles right here. And once you're already here, let's tap on the three lines on the top right corner, and then tap on settings and privacy. And what I want you guys to do in the access from here is to access our data saver on our cache and cellular data options. Now, what I want you to do and make sure is that the data saver is actually turned on. Now enabling our data saver will utilize, of course, its data saving properties to save its data so that, of course, the features such as this autoplay video won't really happen the next time. Now, what is the reason as to how could this be happening? Well, this is because, of course, in order for TikTok to save its data, it will basically use less of its features to save up on its data, since you also have data save or turned on. So what my advice is to have this turned on, guys, so that you could disable the autoplay videos on TikTok. Think it was for watching. That is all for this video, and take care.